Hey everyone, welcome back to Online Scam Advisor, the channel where we break down products so you don't waste your money. Today we're taking a closer look at Gut Restore Ultimate by Simple Nature, a probiotic supplement that says it can improve digestion, ease bloating, and support immune function. On its official website, Gut Restore Ultimate is promoted as a high-potency daily probiotic containing 10 billion CFUs and a 10-strain blend. The brand claims the formula is designed to help maintain a balanced gut environment and promote better digestive comfort. The company also mentions that the product has been available since 2016, which could indicate it's not brand new to the market. From a marketing standpoint, everything looks polished. They offer bundle discounts, subscription savings, free shipping deals, and even a 60-day money-back guarantee. Having a clearly stated refund policy can definitely add some buyer confidence. But here's where we slow down. When reviewing any supplement, especially probiotics, it's important to separate real information from promotional language. Look for clear ingredient transparency. Does the label list the specific strains? Is there proper contact information for the company? Are the health claims realistic, or do they sound exaggerated? Remember, while probiotics can support gut health, no supplement should be treated as a miracle solution. Results vary depending on diet, lifestyle, and overall health conditions. It's also smart to check independent customer reviews outside the official website to see what real buyers are saying about effectiveness, delivery times, and customer service. And of course, always consult a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement, especially if you have underlying medical conditions. So, is Gut Restore Ultimate legit or a scam? Based on publicly available information, it appears to be a real supplement product being actively sold. However, smart research and realistic expectations are essential before making a purchase. If this breakdown helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned to Online Scam Advisor, where we help you stay informed before you buy. Thank you.